You ever wonder why your paycheck feels like it's on a diet? Let's break down the money game so you actually know how it's played. Texas, work all month, get paid $2,000, but your bank only shows $1,456. That's Texas income tax on what you earn, sales tax on what you spend, capital gains tax on profits, plus Social Security and Medicare. Annoying? Yeah, but it funds roads, schools, hospitals, and occasionally billion-dollar rockets. File them yearly or quarterly, just don't skip unless you want to star in a Netflix documentary. Banks, your money isn't sitting in a vault guarded by dragons. Banks keep a fraction, lend out the rest, called fractional reserve banking. They profit by charging borrowers more interest than they pay you. But hey, your cash is insured up to $250,000, so unless your vault is a sock drawer, you're fine. Interest is rent for money. Simple interest is flat. Compound interest snowballs. Your money makes money. Pay it? Bad. Earn it? Magic. At 20% credit card interest, your $12 burrito becomes $50. At 7% investment returns, $100 becomes $400 over time. Inflation means your money buys less over time. Causes? Too much cash chasing too few goods, supply issues, or people expecting prices to rise. A little's fine, too much kills savings. That's why the government raises interest rates to cool the economy down. Recession. A recession's when the economy shrinks for 6 months or more. It can be triggered by high rates, wars, pandemics, or just the boom-bust cycle. Painful, but temporary. Eventually, things recover. Credit score. Your credit scores your financial trust rating, from 300 to 850. Factors? Payment history, credit usage, account age, mix, and new applications. No credit history? No proof you're reliable. Money and investing. Money's just belief, dollars, Bitcoin, even shiny rocks. To fight inflation, invest, stocks, bonds, real estate. The rich don't get rich by luck. They let compound growth do the heavy lifting. Time and value. Time is your most valuable asset. Trade it smart, create value, and invest early, because even small seeds can grow into a money forest if you wait long enough. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Better Think channel.